This chapter is very confusing. Some verses are wisdom, most forgets free will. Chapter could be used by the arrogant to confuse followers. NPR 249. These are the teachings of the wise ones, to whom be all due honor and respect. Give ear and listen with a receptive mind. Record them unto your generations, that they pass not away into dust with your habitations. NPR 250. Therefore, let it now be written, and as written, let it be made known. It sounds like a summation. However, consider it as an admission that humanity does have an expiration date. We will eventually leave, but we can leave wisdom through teaching children, even if it is just passing the knowledge of those long gone. I'd prefer that people would avoid trying to change things not written by them. Respect for the words should mean a faithful retelling. If you wish to offer your interpretations, then it should be clear. They are your words, so those in the future can see both and decide for themselves. I have a feeling this book has been translated by someone that read and then let their own bias seep in, make changes they hoped would clarify, but instead made it so confusing because what the writer intended was clearly messed up. Either the man was paranoid schizophrenic, or someone, or many someones, had no respect for the duty they took on and felt themselves wise enough and entitled enough to change meanings